What's up, guys? Here's a quick flip that me and my buddy Jesse picked up. Paid $200 for it. Some dude didn't know how to fix it himself, so we negotiated something. We redid the intake. We got a set of injectors with it when we bought it, so redid the intake, all that. We couldn't figure out why it wouldn't start. It would crank over, all that. Figured it was the PMD, or the injection pump. So since we got it for $200, we bought the injection pump for it, which obviously comes with a new PMD. We're gonna throw the injectors in. Obviously redid the intake. We'll do all new gaskets, filters. Either take the bed off or drop the tank. Put a new sock on the fuel pump for where the fuel pulls up from the tank. Clean that all out. We should be into it no more than like $1,400 and have a 4x4 running diesel truck. So yeah, constantly picking up flips and doing half-ass mechanic shit, and this is just one of them, I guess. So I'll put more videos up if we end up getting it running.